Good morning, everybody. Uh, Welcome to VNM program, our Vimut Nivan Maga in Sinhala language. In English, the Liberation Path to the Enlightenment. We are talking about the topic, that topic of this program, because we going to reach to the aforesaid topic by doing a research and after that doing a practice about the philosophy of Buddhism. So the importance of following Buddhist philosophy we already discussed in this program. So from future programs and also this program, we are explaining here, we are guiding here to you about the fundamental subjects about our topic. So the importance we already talked. So let me explain today content of the program. This program today I am going to discuss with you about the little more about the disciplinary division of Theravada Buddhist scriptures, normally called Tripitaka. From the Tripitaka there is three main division. We were already discussing here the discipline division, because we need to discuss it as the first one, called normally Vinaya Pitaka in Pali or Sinhala language. We explained previous video about some facts about Vinaya Pitaka and how it important to spiritual class of the Buddhism. It means the Bhikkhu generation, and also how its shadow affect to us, affect to normal people like us. So here we would like to explain little more about it. So the Buddhist bhikkhus, they are getting fully awareness about their behavior from the disciplinary division. So there are 5 books, and the first 3 books, Parajika Pali, Pachitya Pali, Parivala Pali, these 3 books giving a full guidance about the total Vinaya Shiksha, the discipline, rules and regulation placed by Lord Gautam Buddha. There are about 274 rules and regulations to be conducted by the Bhikkhu generation. And apart from the Bhikkhu generation, there is also the probation period candidates. They call Samanera, because before become a Bhikkhu, every candidate should spend the time as a Samanera. So there they also have some disciplinary guidelines, about 10 guidelines that was called Samanera Shiksha, and also the previously explained the fundamental, the major Vinaya Shikshapada 247, including all Shikshapada and its guidelines, they call Upasampada Sila. This is following by the fully entitled Bhikkhu. And after the Upasampada, that is a one stage that Bhikkhu candidate enter as a entitled Bhikkhu. And after he entering to Upasampada stage, after passing 10 years, he become a Thero or Sthavira Bhikkhu, means senior Bhikkhu, and the seniority will begin from there. So this is the tradition of Bhikkhuhood in Buddhism. The Tathagata Gautam Buddha is the universal teacher for this age, and this Buddhism is called Gautama Buddha Sasana. So we are the normal followers. We have the guidelines. We explain Panchasila, Uposatha Sila. These guidelines, means this Pratipada, the guidelines to follow, is it was advised by Lord Buddha, but not commanded. As a normal people, we are obey to the advices of Lord Buddha, and we are following these guidelines under the advisors of our respectable, honorable, venerable Maha Sangharatna or the Bhikkhu generation. So following these things, we become, our hearts become very purified, and we are easy to we are very easy to follow the Buddhism through these disciplinary guidelines, because it always refreshes our hearts and our mind to continue our path, our research, to continue our research on our way. So being disciplinary is very important in Buddhism, because based on that we normally call Sila. Based on that Sila, it is very important, because the Sila is like a paddy field. When the doctrinal truths like seeds, they spread over the paddy field, means Sila. When someone has Sila, the doctrinal seed will grow up in him, because everything is depend on faith, Shraddha. So if someone have the faith, Shraddha, and if he has Sila, the discipline, and then the Dhamma seeds will grow up easily and become a paddy field of Prajna. The Prajna is the wisdom. So that is the process of Buddhism. Normally the importance of disciplinary division is totally guiding to this for Bhikkhu generation majorly, and also the normal people like us. So studying this disciplinary division, the Vinaya Pitaka, is a good opportunity to improve the heart of Buddhism for all people. So that's why we are discussing here about it, and we are guiding you to study this Vinaya Pitaka. When you do your Tripitaka study, you should complete Vinaya Pitaka first, then you should go to Abhidhamma Pitaka. So from our next program, we also wish to explain you the Abhidhamma Pitaka briefly and show you the importance of it. So today program, I hope you might get many good ideas and awareness about Buddhism. So let me to meet you from the next program. So thank you very much. And also we reminding you, we are guiding you to do a spiritual research about Buddhism through this program, and we also always make you aware about our Facebook page, the Sinhala page Facebook, the Hampitu, and the English page Facebook, the Doctrine page Facebook page. From these two pages, all Sri Lankans who are using those who are using Sinhala language, even Buddhist or non-Buddhist, all Sri Lankan can use the Sinhala page to get a briefing before they go to complete the study. They can get a good briefing from this Facebook page. And also the foreign people around the world who are using English, they can easily get a briefing about Tripitaka from the English page. So also we are reminding these pages in our programs every time, and we encourage you to do this research and for understanding the reality of the world. So thank you very much. We'll meet you from the next program.